Hello and welcome to my shop. My name is George and I'm coming to you from Chelsea, Quebec. Now, ordinarily when you use a pin nailer, you'll want to drive the pin in completely. And if you can get it a little bit below grade, even better, because you want it to be hidden. But there are instances where you don't want to drive the pins in completely. If, for instance, you want to pull them out after they've done their work, here's a way to do it. So here's an example of some proud pinning. I want to glue these two pieces together, and if you'd like to imagine that it's a really long length of these two pieces, that would be more in keeping with the actual bits of work that I've done. Now, the pieces are a little awkward in shape. Clamping them is going to be awkward and time-consuming. There's going to be a lot of slipping. What I'd much rather do is pin them together, but I want to remove the pins when I'm done. So here goes. I'm going to hold them in register and then pin them through this little piece of softwood. I don't really know what this piece of softwood is. There's a couple of layers of veneer and then a very lightweight something or other in between. So it's important to use something that's lightweight, softwood that grows really quickly, for instance, so that it doesn't bind the pin itself. So you can see I've got the two pins here standing proud. Now, there's a Russian saying, if your only tool is a hammer, everything looks like a nail. And I think that might have been a political dig at one point or another. But I have a 3D printer. So naturally, the first thing I did was I printed a little shroud that would fit over the tip of my pin nailer and stand it off by the right amount. So this is what it looks like. It's basically a hollow cone with a 1/4 inch or 6 millimeter standoff here at the tip, right? So there's a solid base inside the tip. And its dimensions are such that it fits right over the tip. Now, let me just hang on a second. Okay, sorry for the break. I forgot that I needed a small piece of double-sided tape. So we take the tip and put it over top like this, and now you can pin and adjust at will as you move down the line. So the beauty of having this little shroud over top of the tip is that it leaves your other hand completely free to make adjustments, get the fingertips full of glue, it won't matter, as you move down the line. Once you're done and the glue has cured, you can remove the pins quite readily. Now, the reason I want to remove them is because I want to trim this piece on the table saw, and I don't want to be cutting metal pins. Okay, so like always, I hope you found something interesting, useful, maybe amusing in this video. From now until the next time though, make a little time for your passion, and if you can share it, even better.